What's going on, guys? Good morning, good afternoon. Today we're working on my Type R. Tell me why, bro. Tell me why I need rear brakes at 15,000 miles. Can you guys see that? Can you look at the brake life? Bro, my brake pads are at like 2 millimeters, bro. That's crazy. You know how many miles I got in the car? 15,000. I mean, I did put a lot of miles in like 6 months, but that's still a lot of. It's not that many miles to be having to need brake pads. I got my mechanic right here. I just found my little brother. He don't know what he's doing. I gotta teach him. This man said, "No, bro, I can't fit a half-inch impact on the socket." Now, what you mean? Yeah, he's not that good. Nah, I'm just playing. But today we're gonna replace the brake pads. I got them right here. And then tell me why I'm trying to find like OEM brake pads, right? Because why not? Because I mean, gotta get some good brakes for my car, right? Because I ain't trying to die. But they're on back order. How are brake pads on back order? Like, bro, that's safety. I could have died. No, I'm just probably wouldn't, but I got some aftermarket ones. They're Brembos. They were like $60. I'm like, that's cheap. I hope they work. Hope I can brake. All right, so we got the wheel off. My man over there cleaning it, but you know what? I still can't see it, but I'm gonna take the brakes off now. So take this cap off right here. This cap off here. Take the 2 bolts out. I shouldn't even have to do it. I can just take one out, to be honest. Yeah, let's do that. Well, I got my brother jacking up the car. I hope he don't drop the car. That'd be crazy. Look at this. So they're Brembo brake pads. Oh dang. I mean, it should be fine, right? I'm just surprised they were so cheap. Brake pads is for $45, $50. It's crazy. Let's take these brackets out. There we go. Bracket out, the caps out. Please bring the Allen keys. Where's the Allen keys at? So we took it out. What? Look at this. I never seen this on brakes. What is that, like an actuator? A little motor? That's crazy work for rear brakes. Imagine the caliper goes. It's gonna be expensive. Oh shit. I'm gonna compress the piston with my fingers. So I'm gonna put everything back together. I'll put everything back together because I don't have what do you call it? I don't have a caliper piston compressor, so I can't even compress the caliper. So I'm gonna put the old ones back in there. I'm gonna order one online, and whenever it comes, we'll do it again. Bro, we've been here like 45 minutes for no reason, but at least now it'll be easier when we do it again. Tight.
You still recording? Put that back in there. Put that back in. We gotta record my face.
So, the lesson for today: be sure you got all the tools you need before you do a job. If not, you're gonna put it back together and you're gonna waste your time. Hey, bro, listen. Life is a lesson, okay? I'm gonna give you guys some motivational advice. If one door closes, another one's not gonna open. You fucked. Sorry. It's okay though, it's okay. Put this back on, and then I'm about to go to Amazon and order this tool. No, we could have done. We could have gone to AutoZone and rented out.
Too late.
Otro día. We'll do it next weekend. Oh, Wednesday I don't work. Wednesday no trabajo. I don't do anything in the afternoon. Don't worry, I'm gonna torque them down. I'm just putting them on. Okay. We're gonna torque them down, brother. This, you should always do this with every car. If not, your wheel gonna fly off. You don't want to be doing 100, the wheel just goes flying. I looked it up, it's 94 foot-pounds. That's 94. There we go. Oh, put the ¿cómo se llama? The lead brake on. No, just press it twice. One. Otra vez. Oh, no, ya está. Just jálalo. Apágalo. Alright guys, we're in the video right here. The next post that I put up, it's gonna be me actually replacing the brakes. But I'm gonna go order the tool online so I can have it in a couple of days and then I can just do the brakes. But thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.